Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to save iPhone messages to a computer. Here are some steps to save iPhone messages to your computer using iCloud. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID name at the top of the screen. Choose iCloud from the list. Then tap See All under Save to iCloud if needed. Ensure Messages is toggled on to sync with iCloud. Connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi. Scroll back and tap iCloud Backup. Then tap Backup Now to create a fresh backup. On your computer, go to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. While individual messages may not be viewable here, the backup is stored safely, and you can later restore it to another device or access messages using third-party apps like iMazing. And that's how to save iPhone messages to a computer. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.